Ready? So what's up? This will be technically my first video. Ito yung magiging unang video natin sa ating YouTube channel. So it's gun ban, hindi tayo pwede lumaro, hindi tayo pwede magpunta kung saan namin dalang baril, syempre, obviously. So while we're stuck here, siguro I'll just show you or showcase you one of usually mga new arrivals natin, and also probably teach you and some maintenance sa mga AEGs, GBBs, and even bolt actions. So yung mga airsoft guns basically. But for now, we're just gonna show you the newest arrival. Actually, hindi na siya new. It arrived last year pa, December last year. Today is January 27 kasi 2025. So yun. But anyway, we'll be delivering this later. So I wanted you guys to see it first before we deliver it. But anyway, shoutout nga pala kay Yorme dyan sa Pampanga. So mamaya hatid ko sa'yo. So anyway, pakita ko sa inyo yung isa sa mga deluxe unit ni SRC. So as you can see or as you remember, SRC kasi is kilala sa mga brands na sa mga guns na kagaya ng mga Falcon, pero meron din silang mga rare or yung mga one of a kind or yung mga deluxe nila. So meron sila nung golden, real gold na AK, and then now meron sila dito, actually dalawa to, and then isa sa baba. So we have the MP41 which is wood, and then the MP40 yung underfolder na version. Pero yun, napakaganda. So box pa lang, masasabi mo ng panalo. Yung box niya, it doesn't come with the regular cardboard box. It comes with wood box. So yan, made out of real wood, syempre. And then out of the box, you'll get your, syempre, ang unang nasa salubong sa is yung manual niya. And then yung mga foams. Tapos what I really like about SRC or itong version nila na ito is kumpleto na. Actually, video na lang kulang mo ata dito. You have your sling for the gun, and then magazine pouches. May kasama siyang magazine pouches para doon syempre sa magazine. Kumpleto na siya, wala kang nang iisipin eh. Actually, battery na lang, tsaka yung bala mo. Pero, either way, kumpleto na siya ng accessories. And then also, it comes with the box itself. Meron siyang slot for 5 magazines, pero ang kasama is 4. So, you have your standard metal magazine. And then, syempre, your cleaning rod. Meron din siya kasamang cleaning rod. Yun. So, and then, the star of the show, ayun, napakaganda. The SRC na full metal na MP40. So, yan. Underfolder, kagaya ng sa tunay. Tapos, full metal siya. Tapos, di ko pa na-check eh, baka electric blowback siya. But again, this is an AEG po. So, yung magazine na kasama niya is a standard na high cap magazine. So, yun yung itsura niya pag loaded. So, para ka na talagang German nito. So, anyway, yun. Pinakita ko lang muna sa inyo yung isa sa mga yan. Isa sa mga box na dumating. The next one is the MP41. Pero that's for another video. So, yun. You have your... Sige, walk through tayo dun sa unit. You have your charging handle here. Sorry, hindi siya ambidextrous para sa mga lefty. Hindi pa ata uso nung World War II. So, you have your charging handle here. And then, yung mag-release loop here. And then, syempre, yung hop-up mo, nandito. Chamber. Or this one yata. Sorry, hindi ako masyadong familiar. Anyway, nasa manual naman. And then, yung lock, no, stock. So, pag-press mo yan, matutupit mo na siya. So, pakaganda ng construction ng unit. And then, yun. Metal din yung magazine. High cap with camo. And it comes with 4 magazines. And then, yun, na lulusan mo to if you wanted to switch yung sling swivel niya or sling mount niya. If you wanted to switch it to the other side, ilulusan mo lang siya. And then, pull up and then twist mo sa other side kasi may latch. May latch siya. So, yung maglalak. Yung bali yung collar yung magiging pinaka-lock niya. So, yun. I think that would be all. Hindi ko na iti-test fire. Bagong-bago pa talaga. So, next ko na i-upload yung MP41. So, quick review lang to, quick first impression lang dun sa gun. But, yeah, stay tuned. So, hopefully, makakita nyo pa ibang mga units natin na i-upload. Marami pa yan. Meron pa tayong upcoming na VFC M110A1. And then, ito yung MP41. And then, some of mga rare na VFCs. And then also, stay tuned. Mag-upload din ako ng mga how-to ng mga unit. Especially yung mga DIY nyo sa unit nyo. Yung mga personal maintenance nyo po. So, yun. Thank you very much.